will withstand wear and tear for longer than you will. Nothing withstands like wash and wear. Worth doing. Worth Dulux.
McDonald's legendary quarter pounder. In almost 40 years, nothing has come close to its meaty, cheesy magnificence. Until now, introducing the quarter pounder hot Hawaiian. A quarter pounder topped with golden pineapple and chili sauce. And the quarter pounder BLT, the legend topped in sizzling bacon, tomato and lettuce. Macca's new quarter pounder range, the only burgers ever to come close to the original. That's close enough.
Must be little Charlie. Yeah, isn't she incredible? I tell you what, Michelle, this is the best thing that ever happened to me. I know exactly how you feel. What? Yeah. This raisin toast I got for only $2 at Aldi. $2. You know, there are some milestones in life that you just never forget.
Aldi, prices you'll love talking about.
You do everything to protect your family. Now you can help protect them from the stains that germs cling to. Just start with gentle skin. Every flush keeps your toilet continuously clean so germs can't hang around. Fresh discs and duck.
Thanks, Kate. As an Amy safe driver, I can afford some great foot bullying. Kylie, Henny, where's Mr. Sunrise? Maybe Todd's got foot. Oh, God, that's Trent too good.
Look at you, Rhonda.
Trent.
Gotcha.
Good drivers deserve attention.
Yes.
Good luck, Kate.
Save up to 15% with Amy's Safe Driver Rewards. Getting dirty is part of learning. That's why you need new Omo Liquid. Just a drop on the stain and pour the rest in the wash. New Omo